Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Interactive Investor Super 60. Review my usage experience. Interactive Investor Super 60, from what I understand, is a platform offering access to a selection of investment options, potentially tailored to a more experienced investor given the Super 60 designation. Their website provides details on the specific funds and investment choices available. It likely aims to simplify the investment process by pre-selecting a curated portfolio of 60 investments. Key features would probably include portfolio tracking, transaction capabilities, and potentially research tools. Their website emphasizes ease of use and competitive pricing, though specific details are available only through their site. They don't advertise any hidden fees, but I recommend reviewing their fee schedule directly. The platform's approach seems focused on providing a balanced and diversified investment portfolio with minimal management effort. Availability is likely subject to geographical restrictions, so checking their website is essential. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Interactive Investor Super 60. Getting started was surprisingly smooth. The onboarding process was straightforward, guiding me through the account setup and initial investment choices. The interface is initially a bit daunting, with a lot of information presented, but I found it intuitive once I spent some time navigating it. I particularly appreciated the clear performance charts for each of my investments, allowing me to easily monitor progress. I used the transaction feature to adjust my portfolio allocations a couple of times, and it worked flawlessly. The portfolio rebalancing tool was also quite handy. I had a quick question about tax implications and their customer support responded within 2 days via email, which was satisfactory. I was really impressed by how easily I could track my performance against my investment goals. One minor drawback was the lack of a mobile app. It was a bit cumbersome to monitor my investments on the go. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Interactive Investor Super 60. While the initial learning curve is a little steep, the platform is powerful and meets my needs as a moderately experienced investor. That's my overview of Interactive Investor Super 60. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.